Hello, Xhorse fans! Today, we're diving into something super exciting, the brand new Xhorse Bluetooth Digital Smart Key. Imagine turning your phone into both a car key and a smart diagnostic tool. Sounds cool, right? It's all about making your driving experience smarter and way more convenient. So stick around, and let's explore how this awesome gadget works. Step 1. Key programming. For your vehicle's safety, the initial installation of this product requires the use of Xhorse professional equipment. If you're an automotive locksmith, make sure you have a battery and a pressing tool ready. Tweezers are highly recommended for this process, and any Xhorse generation matching device. Key Tool Plus will be selected for this demonstration. To start, carefully press and disassemble the device. Inside, you'll find a built-in key. Be sure to install the battery correctly, paying close attention to the positive and negative terminals. Once the battery is installed, you can proceed to program it with the vehicle as you would with a regular key. It's that simple. Now, let's dive into the operation steps using a BYD vehicle and Key Tool Plus as an example. Insert the Bluetooth key remote module with the battery installed. Enter Remote Program. Select the appropriate option. Tap on Generate. After generating, check the chip and frequency. If successfully identified, proceed to the next step. If the module is not recognized, it indicates that it is in a disabled state. In this case, insert it back into the OBD port, pair it with the phone's Bluetooth, and use the phone to unlock the car once to activate. Enter IMO programming. Select the corresponding option. Start programming. Confirm the paired key count is now 2. Use the new Smart Key Bluetooth key remote module and hold it close to the induction coil. Programming is complete. Next, you can test the remote module. Make sure it has the battery installed. If the test is successful, you're all set. If you're an individual car owner, the first-time installation will require assistance from a professional automotive locksmith or repair shop to complete the process. Step 2. Bind the device. Download and install the Smart Key Box app. Note: programming completed. Battery must be removed before using it. Insert the device into the car's OBD port. Open the app and connect the device. Then pair the device with your phone through learning mode. Step 3. Write OBD diagnostic program. Enter OBD diagnosis. Select the corresponding vehicle model and write the OBD diagnostic program to the device. Once you've completed these steps, the device is good to go. Xhorse Bluetooth Digital Smart Key offers a range of practical features and standout advantages. In our next video, we'll walk you through all these exciting highlights and how they work. Stay tuned, you won't want to miss it. See you soon!